Hello, this is Daryl Martin with Apex Trader Funding, and I am excited to announce that we are launching Tradovate. So the NinjaTrader Tradovate combination for PC, Mac, web, and mobile is now live as of 3/6/2023 at 11 p.m. Eastern Time, maybe a little before that. But it is live now, and we are excited to be an industry leader and launching this out so soon. Also, we're excited that we paid out over $11 million just since last year, and that is more than any other funding company that I know of ever. So we're averaging $810,000 in payouts, and I expect that to be over $1 million on an average in a couple months. It just keeps going up, up, up. And so we're a great company to be with. We even post our payouts on our website. You're welcome to check that out. So, I know a lot of y'all are going to have questions like, does this apply to me? Is it something I want? Is it something I don't want? How does it work? There's a lot of questions. And so I'm going to do this in a short video and go through everything for you. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be talking about on this. All right, so got the disclosures, of course, there's risk and everything. So what are we going to cover? We're going to cover the launch. We're going to cover who is this Tradovate launch thing for? Does it even apply to you? How does everything work? And what are some common questions that are very important that you need to know the answer to before you even begin to sign up? Okay? So, again, we're proud to announce that as an industry leader, we now offer the new NinjaTrader with NinjaTrader Mobile and Tradovate. So, we have been working with them for a year on this project. We worked with them immediately upon the launch of the program, which happened on Saturday, to solve problems and errors to make the customer service experience solid. We got up new instructions literally immediately after the release was made on our site before our other competitors even. They still have the old instructions on their site when I'm making this video. We've been at the forefront and instrumental in helping this release happen. NinjaTrader has been great in helping solve any issues to make this a smooth process for customers and has been very responsive in support for any customers that have had issues. Tradovate is being rebranded to NinjaTrader and NinjaTrader Mobile as it was acquired by NinjaTrader last year. So eventually you'll see the Tradovate name drop off of everything. But just so you know, NinjaTrader Mobile is Tradovate. Now, you don't have to sign up for this. You can stay on Rhythmic if you're already a customer with this, or if you want to sign up for Rhythmic. It has access to 10 platforms. It has a mobile app. It's not as robust as Tradovate, but it does a NinjaTrader Mobile. But it has access to 10 platforms. It's a little bit cheaper. And it's a great we have tens of thousands of customers on Rhythmic. So if that's the one you want, then go for it. We have customers who have been waiting on Tradovate. They've been waiting on TradingView, which connects through Tradovate. There's an app on iPhones and the App Store and the Android Play Store. There's web access to trading. There's phone access. There's Mac access. We have a lot of traders that have been looking for Mac access and web access to trading, or phone access, tablet access. Also, it has access to the Eurex and ICE exchange and market internals. Now, the Eurex and ICE exchange, market internals, those are different exchanges. They will require different exchange fees, and you can see the instructions on how to sign up for those in the FAQ at apextraderfunding.com. So how does everything work? Well, you will need to follow the instructions in the dashboard in the members area and on the FAQ to download the new NinjaTrader and or access Tradovate and NinjaTrader Mobile. Now, again, you don't have to do this. If you're on Rhythmic, you can stay on the NinjaTrader you're on. You don't have to even do an update, okay? It is important that you review all the Tradovate facts, and you are, again, going to have to, if you sign up for this, you are going to have to upgrade to the new NinjaTrader, all right? So you'll want to follow those instructions. And again, it's important you review all the Tradovate facts on the website before signing up for a new Tradovate plan to make sure you understand everything. Please read them before submitting questions. We spend a lot of time going through making FAQs, so please read them before questions, so that way we can answer, legitimate tickets. And most of the answers should be found there. If you find a question that's not in the FAQs, then definitely feel free to submit a ticket, and we'll add it to the FAQs if necessary. Some common questions. Can I access my Rhythm accounts with this new update? You can on the new NinjaTrader desktop, as is a different data feed with Tradovate, and it's a different connection. But you'll not be able to access Rhythmic plans on the web, mobile, the app, the Tradovate, or Mac platforms. Okay, so you'll only be able to access your Rhythm accounts on the new NinjaTrader desktop. Okay, or the current NinjaTrader desktop. So if you sign up, then you're going to have to, upgrade. Can I switch my Rhythmic accounts on the Ninja Trader mobile app Tradovate platform? So like, let's say you have Rhythmic accounts and you're like, I want to do the Tradovate thing. No, you cannot switch them. They are separate providers. They all have their own fees and costs that we incur. So any accounts you want on it will have to be new accounts, whether they're evaluations or PAs, and there are no exceptions. So don't write a demanding email because it's going to get a no. Okay, I'm not trying to be rude, but there is other cost. Just please don't. Just sign up for a new plan, pass it, get a new PA, whatever. All right. How important is it that I sign up for the right plan, like choosing Tradovate or Rhythmic, choosing 50K or 100K? It is paramount that you choose the right plan on the web page or in the dashboard. If you choose the wrong plan or the wrong platform when you're signing up because you're in such a rush because you're so excited, there will be no refunds, no exceptions. So you're going to have to pay for that plan and the plan you want. So be careful. Again, we incur charges for every new account now and every new account that's set up, and we cannot issue refunds for users making mistakes. So read before you click. Don't be in a hurry. Don't ask for a refund because your account renewed yesterday, stuff like that. You forgot to cancel it. Too bad. You got to follow the rules. Okay, that's part of the evaluation process. I just signed up for a Rhythmic account or it just renewed like yesterday. Can I get a refund so I can switch? Again, we incur charges for every new account and setup. We cannot issue refunds for any accounts, whether you forgot to or didn't or whatever. No exceptions. All right, so we expect our evaluations customers to be able to follow all the rules, the trading rules and the billing rules, okay? So if they want to be funded with us. So please don't ask for refunds because you forgot to cancel or you want to switch or whatever, because the answer will be no. Is there a sim in Tradovate Ninja Trader mobile web? No, but there is one in the Ninja Trader desktop. So if you sign up, you're not going to be able to do sim on the mobile. You're not going to be able to do sim on the Tradovate web app. You're going to have to place trades. So what should you do? If you're new to the platform and you do want it, trade micros, like NQ, that's worth like 50 cents a tick, okay? And get used to it first before you actually start trading, all right? So trade something really small. Some common questions. How will the plans work? The new Tradovate plans. The plans will work the exact same as the current plans we have on the website. So the Rhythmic ones. So they have the exact same rules, the 7 days, the profit rules, the trailing stop, all that is the exact same. Okay? So nothing changes. You're just choosing a different platform with a different connection. Where can I find a list of markets that can be traded and the commission cost? They are listed on the FAQs. All right? Where can I track my trailing drawdown? Inside the Tradovate web version of Ninja Trader. So again, the Tradovate web version, see instructions in the FAQ. It's not going to be like on Rhythmic, you have the Rhythmic app you open. On this one, right in the platform, you can open it, and we have the instructions in the FAQ. Where do I sign up? Well, if you're a current member, just log in and use the menu labeled Ninja Trader /Tradovate plans. Again, make sure you choose the right platform. Make sure you choose the right plan. Otherwise, you're stuck with that one until the month's over, and then you got to pay for another one to get the one that you want. Okay, if you're new, just hop on the website and scroll down. Okay, if you want to see what all the plans are and all that fun stuff, you can scroll down if you're new as well, or even if you're existing. Can I copy trade on Tradovate like I do multiple accounts? Because we allow 20 accounts, right? And unlimited evaluations, but 20 PAs. You can copy trade, but they're currently, and they have no plans to do bracket orders. So you have to enter your entry, your stop, your take profit, and then once your entry's filled, you gotta, then put your stop and take profit in, and then once the stop or take profit's filled, then you gotta cancel the other one. So it's a little bit of a pain, but they do have it, and it's built into the platform on the Tradovate web version. Okay? It is limited to 100 contracts across all accounts. So if you have 10 35 contract accounts, you're not going to be able to do 350 contracts. You're only going to be able to do 100. So we are appealing to have that limit raised much higher. All right, so we are making some progress on that. Well, what about, can I copy trade my Ninja Trader brokerage, my Rhythmic, my Tradovate accounts on the Ninja Trader desktop? Yes, and there's no limit, right? So you can do as many contracts as you want. Inside Ninja Trader, using the ApexInvesting.com trade copier, you can copy between literally, if you have a live account that you funded yourself, if you have a Rhythmic account, and you have a Tradovate account, you can trade all three. So you can copy trade them as well. All right? So inside the NinjaTrader desktop app, so you will need a least or lifetime license to trade your own personal, if you self-funded a NinjaTrader brokerage account that you funded. If not, then you can just use our Ninja key that we have in the members area, and you can trade Rhythmic and Tradovate at the same time. Okay? Again, also, just as a reminder, the NinjaTrader desktop, there's no limit on how many contracts you can copy. All right? Let's see, the couple more questions. We're almost done. Can I still get 20 PA accounts active at once? Yes, you can with Tradovate. What if I already have 20 with Rhythmic? Well, then you can't get 20 with Tradovate. 20 is the max. 10 here, 10 there, whatever, okay? But 20 is the max between all accounts, all connections, everything. And unlimited evaluations and, of course, resets. Yeah, just like Rhythmic, you can do the same amount of accounts. Is pricing the same? No, the pricing is slightly higher for evaluations, resets, and PAs because we have a higher cost as this has more options. They charge us more. So pricing can be found on the website homepage if you scroll down, or, of course, in the members area if you look at each plan. Fortunately, we have coupons for evaluations that will make this price lower. And you can use Rhythmic. So, again, you can always just use Rhythmic if you don't want to pay for the other features, right? If you don't want the other features, just use Rhythmic for a slightly lower cost and stick with what you have. Will coupons work on Rhythmic and Tradovate plans? At this time, yes, all coupons will work on all evaluations. What about for the affiliates? Will affiliates get commissions on Tradovate evaluations and resets? Yes. And all existing customers referred by you will be credited to you that sign up for the Tradovate accounts. Affiliates receive 15% for life on all evaluations and all resets anybody using their link or coupon code. So make sure to sign up as an affiliate in the members area or on the website to scroll down to the affiliate section if you are not one already. So you can make some money by referring people. Is the ApexInvesting.com toolkit compatible with Tradovate? No, it is not compatible. It's only compatible with the NinjaTrader desktop platform. There are no plans to make it compatible with Tradovate due to, we'll just say, technology challenges. How do I connect to the new platforms? See the connection guides in the FAQ. Okay, and there will also be links inside your members area. So as a reminder, 100% of your first $25,000 per account are paid out from Apex. Okay, per account, $25,000, 100%. You can have up to 20 PA accounts at once total across companies you own, Tradovate, Rhythmic, whatever. 90% of the profits after that go to you after the first $25,000. There's a 7-day minimum to pass evaluations, and some people may have a shorter period, like maybe 5 days or whatever, but they take a day or 2 or 3 to actually pass your evaluation and turn it into a PA account. We do it instantly. So as soon as the market closes, you get an email, you submit your stuff, and boom, your PA account is activated within minutes. So 7 days is a true 7 days. 10 trading days to the first payout. And so you only got to trade 10 trading days. It used to be 25 or 20. So 10 trading days to the first payout. There's 2 payouts a month with 10 trading days between. So you can actually get paid out twice a month. And we pay out pretty much every week in the order the requests come in. So the requests come in, we don't wait all of them till the 15th. We're paying them out as we go. So there's constantly payouts happening, every week. Where do I find more information? On the homepage and in the FAQ section of ApexTraderFunding.com. So just go to ApexTraderFunding.com. You can scroll down and see the plans. Go to the FAQ section, and you'll see a whole Tradovate FAQ section. I cannot stress enough, please review these FAQs before posting questions on social media, before posting questions to the help desk. Okay? If you have questions not answered there, then submit a help desk ticket. But again, do not submit questions to the help desk that are already in the FAQ. This will cost us a lot of time in customer service and responding to legitimate tickets. So only if it's a question that's not in the FAQs, then submit it. Okay? So please help us on that. Review it. It'll be good for you because then you'll know everything. You already know a lot of it from this video, but we're adding more FAQs all the time. So sign up today for Tradovate or Rhythmic at ApexTraderFunding.com. So I hope this helped answer a lot of questions for you, and we're very excited to have this launch, and we look forward to helping you and are always excited to be the industry leader in the funding market. Y'all have a great day, and we'll see you on the other side.